Have you been wondering where to get a short video to edit your video, or maybe you have a faceless channel, you have been wondering how to choose a niche? You don't want to start recording yourself, going through that stress of creating a video before you upload to your YouTube channel or any other platform just to earn yourself money. Well, today I'll be showing you two different sites where you can get short clips to use to edit your video, to grow your YouTube channel, or to upload straight to your YouTube channel and start earning money today. These two websites are free. You can download those videos and start using it for free, because a lot of websites are there. If you download their video and add it to your edits while you use those videos, they will count it as a copyright and the video will be removed from your channel, or it gets your channel hot or demonetized. So to avoid that, I'll be showing you two different websites where you can start uploading those videos for free. You can download those videos for free without not asking you for any money or any subscription. So you have to be careful while you're trying to get videos from different sites. I've been seeing a lot of people downloading video from TikTok and upload on YouTube and start earning money as well, and it gets their channel grow and keep growing. They earn subscriber and also earn money on this channel. For you to start today uploading video, faceless video on your channel, it is very quite easy, and you have to be careful at the same time. So there are different sites that ask for money while others don't ask for money. So I'll be showing you two different sites that you can start earning money by uploading free videos. Some of them are long video while some of them are short video. So stay tuned. Please hit on the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell. Whenever I drop a new video, you get notified. Drop a comment what you feel about this tutorial, and also stay tuned. So let's dive in. I'll be showing you the two websites to get free video to use to edit your videos or to upload to your website or your channel freely without them not asking you for anything. Those websites are free. Let's dive in. All right, guys, this is our website. The first website we'll be looking at here, it's Pixel. I guess a lot of people have been hearing about this Pixel. So this Pixel is a website whereby you can start downloading free short videos and upload to your channel and start earning money today without your channel not getting demonetized. And also you have to, or you wanted to edit your video and add some clips to your video. You can also get short clips from this video. So as you can see now, we are on the website, which is the Pixel website. So now I'm going to search for C creature. Maybe you are someone that has a channel that you wanted to be teaching people, you wanted to show people different creatures we have inside C. On this channel, you found different thousands of creatures, of C creatures on this website, particular website. So all you need to do is to just come over to the search bar and also then click on search bar, then select is either image you wanted to download or video. We have photos and we have videos. Since I'm working with videos, I will click on videos, then you click on search, then anything that you wanted to download on this website, you can just click on search and type it there, then you click on search. Immediately you click on search, it will bring a lot of videos. A lot of videos will appear on the screen. So now we have free C creature video. We have about videos of 56,000. That means on this website, you can download as much as thousands of videos you wanted to upload on your YouTube. That means imagine just having a 56,000 videos for only your channel. That means you'll be uploading free videos without you not sitting down and editing anything every day. Every blessed day, you'll be uploading different and thousands of videos on your channel without getting demonetized and no copyright on these videos. So just scroll down. We have thousands of them. You can see download. You can see download. You can also play them before you start downloading it. Let's click on this. Immediately you click on this, it will display on your screen. All you need to do is to just click on download. Then they will ask you what type of download quality do you want? Do you want the blurry? Do you want HD? Do you want 4K? Then you download the one that you know that is suitable for your channel. Immediately it's load, all you need to do is to download this particular video that you wanted to use on your main channel. So okay, let's wait till this. So after it's load, and also you can edit it in Canva. Maybe you wanted to edit the video on Canva, the Canva has already been linked to it. And also you can get short clips from Canva as well to start growing and also start earning from your YouTube channel without getting demonetized, without you getting demonetized. You understand that? So edit with Canva, you can edit this with Canva, then click on download. Immediately you click on download, the video will be downloaded and saved to your device. You save to your file, then you locate your file, then you can start uploading the video to your channel without getting demonetized. So that is the first website that I'll be showing you. Then the second website I'll be showing you today is NASA. The original page for NASA, just make sure you get the link and also put it on your browser and click it, image.nasa.gov. So on this particular website, all the videos here are also free. They won't ask you for money, or the video here, if you upload it on your YouTube account, it won't get demonetized, it won't get your channel hot without no stress. So this is official page of NASA. There was a channel that I was checking on YouTube the other day. The person always upload astronauts videos, which is free. He always download the video from NASA page and upload everything on YouTube. The guy, I think the guy has about 26 million views for a long video. Imagine 26 million views. It was not shot by the person, and the person uploaded the video on his channel and has about 26 million views. Imagine. So that's a lot of money, and you can't just imagine someone uploading free video on his channel and get a 26 million view after getting paid for a free video. So this is NASA official page. All you need to do is to just scroll down. After you check on everything, then you search for the kind of video you're looking for on on their website. Then this is astronauts. This is a funny video, and also showing results for it. We have about 5 here. Okay, let's search for the astronauts, the astronauts videos. So click on search. After you click on search, it will load and pop up immediately after you do that. Then you can start downloading the videos, thousands of videos. We even have longer video here. They have the short one, they have the long video. So as you can see, this is all the video. We have about 559 videos on this main page for astronauts. So all you need to do is just scroll down, check the one you wanted to download. Like this, you can just click on it, then you download the video and start uploading on your channel. Number one, you can't sell this thing. You can't sell those videos on this particular website. All you need to do is to just upload them on your channel and see it growing. And also you can also edit it if you wish to. Maybe you wanted to add some couple of clips or couple of texts, texts and everything. You can also edit this video by yourself without getting any copyright. So if you want to download it, just scroll down. All you need to do is to just scroll down, click on this. Okay, this is I think it's still loading. So okay, just click on it. Any video that you wanted to download, just click on it. Let's wait till it's load. Okay, now this is the video. This particular website, you can get the video for free without getting any copyright. Just imagine uploading free video on your faceless channel and you have about 26 million views. How will you feel? And getting paid for a video that was not shot by you. You understand? So you feel amazed, like, yo, because 26 million views, that's a huge amount of money after YouTube paid you for that. So I think the video is about 20 minutes long. So here, this is where you download the video. So after that, just click on download. Then the video will be downloaded. You'll be asked the large, medium, original. Which one do you want? If I advise you to go with the original, because the original clip, now you will have the quality and best video ever to upload to your channel. So just click on the original, then you start download. After you download it, click here and you will see your downloading videos here. It will appear on here. Because I don't need the video, that's the reason why I did not download it. So guys, if this video is very helpful to you, just hit on the subscribe button and also like the video and drop a comment what you feel about this video. And also, if you want me to work on any video for you, just comment it down below. And also stay tuned to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye for now.